There may be times when you're working on a game or some sort of program in ActionScript where you want to create simple graphics simply using the ActionScript code. Now, there are some advantages to this. Number one, you don't have to store things in the library. And because of this, it will save resources when you are programming out your games. And this could be especially true if you, let's say, are making your mobile games and you have something that's very detailed. It might bog down the mobile device. And so doing something like this may save you some resources. But anyway, to get started, I will just open up a blank ActionScript 3.0 document. And if you want to reference the completed code, you can open up the work file 0207_drawingwithcode.fla. So in my blank document, I will just go to Window and Actions. Now from here, we are just starting from scratch, and we're going to first create a simple line that just goes from point A to point B. So to do this, we first type in this dot graphics and then dot line style. And this is going to determine the style of the line we want to draw. Now, when you put your parentheses, you can see that we have a bunch of different things that appear here, pretty much indicating, what we should be putting into the parentheses. Well, first, we could put in, as you can see up here, like the alpha and all that kind of stuff. But we're going to concentrate mainly on the line width and the color of the line. So the first number you put in can be the line width, and this can be any width that you want it to be. In this case, I can put in 4, and then I will put a comma, and after this, we're going to signify the color. And you can see right here, it's bold, indicating, okay, up next is color. So I will put 0x, and then right now is where we set up the color code for the color. And what I mean by this is if you come down here just to, let's say, your fill color area, and when you put your eyedropper over any of these colors, you can see at the top here there is a number that changes according to whatever color you are hovering over. And that is the code you're going to put in for this color. So let's say, for instance, I want a dark blue line. So 00099. So we'll put 000099. And that is the code for that color. After that, we can just close this up and put a semicolon. Now next, we're going to put this .graphics.move_to, and this is going to be the starting position of your line. And from here, you're going to put the X and Y properties, basically where you want it to start on your stage. So in this case, I can just put in, let's do 200 and 400, and then we can close that off. Now we need to put the destination for the line. So this .graphics.line2, and then we of course place where we want it to go. So let's say I can do 350 and 450, and then we close it off. So that will create a line that goes from those starting coordinates to the coordinates I just typed using a line width of 4 and a dark blue line color. And if I want to, I can just test this out, and it's completely off screen. And that's because of the coordinates I put in. So let's adjust these a bit to something more like 2 and 2, and maybe like 100 and let's put 150. And there we go. You can see now that we have the line on screen. So that will allow us to draw a straight line.